Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to another episode. It's me, Stu, yet me. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change in this 2014 Toyota 4Runner. This is the setup. 10 a.m. Okay, before I get into that, I just want to say I want to give shout outs to my new subscribers, old subscribers, newcomer subscribers, the viewers that haven't subscribed to my channel. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the love. Where would I be without y'all? You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it. I hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy. Before I get into that, I want to mention I just want to encourage the females, the ladies, to become a mechanic technicians, because I haven't seen that many out here in the field. Know what I'm saying? So ladies, catch up. It's like any other job, but better. Know what I'm saying? And on the other hand, don't forget to wear your safety glasses, safety goggles, and gloves. Yeah, I mean. So yeah. Once I do the oil change, I'm gonna come back and show you how to do the oil life reset. Okay, in this 2014 Toyota 4Runner. Okay, hope you like it. Enjoy. See you later. Holla at your boy, Stu. Boom. This is the oil drain plug, and the oil filter is kind of like a pain in the, you know what I'm saying? I'll show you what it is in a minute. So for that, I'm gonna use a 14 millimeter socket. So yeah, once I drain it all, put the drain oil plug back, tied it with the 14, snug it, clean it. Now I'm gonna have to remove this. What is this, metal? To get to the oil filter. Okay, so there's one right here. Well, there used to be one. There's another one over here. There's another one over here. And that should be it. Okay. Now you have to be very careful when you remove this stuff because it's heavy, okay? So, what's up? Now that's the oil filter. Ta-da! Probably you know this tool for the oil filter in Toyotas, Lexus. We're gonna use this in a 27 socket. Now for those that don't know,
This thing has like 3 teeth right here, right? Now this thing's gonna fit in there like this. You feel me? And one over there, one teeth over there. Okay. Alright, just put the 27 and spin it counterclockwise. I was just spinning it. I'm gonna remove this guy so I don't get it all dirty. Now watch out, it's gonna come in. You can leave it like that so it drains a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Once you kind of stop leaking, you can remove it all and change the oil filter. Again, if you don't want to wait that long, just grab a rag and get ready. See that? That's why you got the rag. You feel me? Now this is how it looks like without the filter. We're gonna change this oil ring. Okay. Comes with a new one. It's 1.7. No. 7.1. Now when you put it back, just make sure you lube the oil ring, okay? So it's not that difficult. And put it back. Just make sure it's tight. Snug it. Alright. Let's get some just to clean it. Pour 6 quarts synthetic 0W20. Check the oil level now. So it's supposed to be here. Good. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. As soon as back, I'm back. Yeah, that's me. I hope you like the video how to do the oil change in this 2014 Toyota 4Runner. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. It's a classic for some people, but for those that don't know, don't worry, I got you. All right. Before I get into that, I just want to mention, when I recap this. I pulled 6 quarts of synthetic oil, 0W20, okay, and that's pretty much it. All right. Now let's do the oil life reset. So all you're gonna do is, now it's shut down, okay. Just gonna press it twice. Everything's gonna turn on, okay. The car is not running, by the way. You see this thing that says trip 8, you have to have it in trip 8, okay? How you change it with this pen right here. Press it, and it's gonna change. Trip B, the odometer. Press it. Okay, just press it until you have it in trip A. Once you have it in trip A, just like this, press it. Okay, I'm sorry, let me give you a better angle. Press it and hold it. Press the pen and hold it. Okay, press it and hold it, then press it once. Now press it twice. Now it says resetting maintenance data. Once that message is gone, you can let it go now. Okay, you're not pressing it no more. Alright, this is how you reset the oil life in this 2014 Toyota 4Runner. Alright, don't forget trip A. Hope you like the video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Shout outs to my subscribers, my viewers, my followers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the help. I appreciate it. Where would I be without you? Thank you again. Alright, and I'm gonna leave it right here. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit it hard. Destroy, bang the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Yada yada yada. Share this video. And the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this video. Know what I'm saying? Let me know what you think about this project. Yeah, I mean, put in the comment box for me. I want to know what you think. Any experience related to this vehicle, this 4Runner? It doesn't matter the year. You know, people that watch this video want to see what you know, what you know about this vehicle. Know what I'm saying? And information is crucial. Know what I'm saying? You're gonna help other people with the same vehicle. Yeah, I mean. So I'm not gonna hold you up no more. I'm gonna leave it right here, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, thank you for watching. Thank you for the love, for the support. See you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Estuvo.